Hey, welcome back to the Scale Model Experiment. This week, I'd like to give you guys a tip. The saddest excuse I've ever heard of people not using an airbrush is they take too long to clean. Let's go down to the paint booth and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to clean out your airbrush after you're finished using it. You don't have to take it apart, you don't have to scrub it, you just have to do this. Okay, so I just finished painting black paint. I have a dump pot and I'll spray whatever little bit is left in here. And you'll hear the difference when it's done. It's just like a couple drops in there. Stick your finger in there and get all the excess that you can. Oops, sorry. Stick your finger in there and get all the excess that you can out of that. And I use, this is a cheap hardware store lacquer thinner. I pour it into this little container so that it's easy to use right here. Cup up about a third full. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to backwash it. So I put a paper towel over the tip and I pull the trigger and it's going to bubble up inside of there and it's going to agitate all the ink that's in the gun and I spray it out. Agitate, spray it out. Agitate, spray it out. Agitate. Do this inside your booth because you'll spill it. Make a mess. Don't do it over your good clothes. And once you've done this a few times, agitate, spray, just dump the rest right onto your paper towel. Okay, so inside, it's clean, the bowl is clean. Sorry. The bowl is clean, but at the bottom there's still residue of thinner. I'll take the tip off here, and then I'm going to unscrew and take the needle out. Airbrush down. Clean the needle off. Tip, just pinch this edge here and get some thinner in there. Tip back on. Feed the needle back through. Tap back on. Insurance, just a splash. Spray my thinner out. Now it's clean, ready for the next time you use it. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.